Hello and welcome to Trains in Viettic and a quick unboxing. Today we'll be looking at this new Gaugemaster slash Pico track cleaner. I got it from Ultimate Models. So let's start the title, then we can do an unboxing and then give it a quick run around for layout. This here is the new Gaugemaster collection track cleaner. So it's a network rail track cleaning vehicle made by Pico, something like that, which is well spread around for packaging. And I got this one from Ultimate Models in Alton in Hampshire. Paul in the shop went and ordered this one in specially for me, but he does have a few more in stock, so if you like it and in the Hampshire area, pop down there and he'll sort you out. So let's start with an unboxing. I think Gaugemaster have a nice colour scheme on this. So, chuck the box to one side. We have a little Pico thing showing some of the locos and control systems out there. I bought the G gauge stuff before, but I haven't bought any of the other gauge stuff. So I'll put that to one side. Then what else do we have? A piece of cardboard and an instruction sheet. And it tells you how to change the cleaning pad. So for fronts, just sellotaped on. So if you're doing this at home, just have something to hand to open it. With whereabouts I got the camera position, it's not that easy to grab something, so taking this out, you have a cleaning block there which feel like it will do quite a nice job. You've got the standard British tape cut limbs. You've got interesting wheels. They have a bit of flex in them. I think that's to allow you to go around radius 1 curbs. And that's a block which have 2 screws on it so that you can replace the block. And that's spring loaded. And this is something which you could just leave on for layout. So you've got nice network rail brand in there, improving the railway. Nice shiny roof. Few rivets on that side. Same details on the other side. And that's quite a nice little model. So I think what I'll do next is I'll take it up into the attic and give it a quick running. I have now set it up on the layout. One thing to check when you get to it is make sure that the wheels are actually running freely. So just sticking it on the track. And you can actually feel that it's doing something, so just run it up and down a few times. I don't know what I just did there. There's quite a bit of friction running it over there, but I can see a bit of a difference. Let's see how the pad is doing. You can see the dirt already on there. So what I'll do is I'll stick him on the track there, and then grab myself an engine tube, give it a quick pull around. So I'll actually go to this track, because the camera's right in the way for the other track. And we can see how good the track work needs to be. But the first thing I noticed is that it cut pulled very nicely. So let me find that loco, which is 0844, so that's not that one. Just trying to find it. So it's one of my class 08s. There we go. So sending it around, just pushing it. It needs quite a bit of power just to clear itself. You can see the engine is actually struggling a bit. So I'll stop him and now send him back. You can hear the loco's actually struggling a bit. Now send him back the other way. I think when I'm running it properly around, I'd let it to do a loop, then a loop, then a loop. But it is taking a lot of power to clear the track. But it's showing that it does do points without too much of a problem. They're just causing a bit of a stall. So I'll give that its last go. That's the engine running at half power. And that's looking much cleaner than the track next to it. You're getting a much better reflection, so I think this have done a good job. And you can see the dirt that it's picked up, so I would recommend that as a product to buy. To finish this off, I'm glad I bought this. It will be joining my other cleaning locos, as I have a damp hole track cleaner and this now, and I also have a Gaugemaster cleaning block and tons of these pico cleaning rubbers. So I think it's a good addition to my track cleaning fleet. And that's about that. And I'm happy with it. So if you want one, go out to buy it. I would strongly recommend it, as it's doing a nice job on cleaning for track, and it does a nice job over point work, which I have known others to fail on. So make sure to like, subscribe and comment, and join me on Saturday for my next video. Thank you very much. Richard.